Welcome. In this video I will tell you how long the battery lasts on Microsoft Surface Pro 12. So in terms of simple video playback on average brightness, you can expect up to 16 hours of work on a single charge. And if you're looking for information about what will happen if you just perform some regular tasks like web browsing, some light multitasking, and running some Word documents, Excel files, or Visual Studio programming files, or any other programming files, in such case you can expect up to 12 hours on average brightness once again. And of course, if you run some more battery exhausting applications, your battery will discharge much faster. But overall, from my experience, I can reassure you that you can expect a decent battery life on this laptop or tablet. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.